up, everyone? So today we are going to be working on the Mustang. We've got a new bumper that we're gonna mount to fit, and then we're gonna get it painted eventually, but today we're just working on putting it on. So here's the bumper that we've got going on it. You want to talk us through the process of getting this bumper off?
Not really.
Why not?
We pull the pops, we're going to take the bolts out, and then we're going to bumper. We're going to make some closings.
So we're having to take a little break because our power just went out, so we can't see what we're doing as far as moving the bumper and stuff around. So we've got it drilled out, we got some holes, we're trying to get it mounted on there now. Hopefully this all works. We've never done this before, so we're gonna see how it goes, but we're gonna wait on the power to come back on. We'll keep you updated.
All right, the power is still out. We're shit out of luck on that one, but we managed to open the door, get a little bit of light in, and we've got it mounted up and everything. We just have to put the bolts in.
So we got the bumper mounted, we got all the holes drilled. This is what we come up with. We can get Dylan's big ass out of the way. We don't have proper tools, so we just had to kind of make it work. Go ahead and shut the hood. So this is what we're looking at. It doesn't have a grill.
I'm gonna take the horn out of it. So it's just
Horns here. We'll take all that out and clean all that up and under there. We could probably do that today if we really wanted to. Paint the what's red black under there. So he's gonna back it out and get us a better look at it. Oh, and I don't think we told you since our last video, we put all the graphics on the side. We didn't include the graphics on the YouTube videos. We done those. We showed it off on TikTok though, so if you want to find us on TikTok, you can look at that right there. So here is what we've got on the bumper. A little better lighting. Now he is going to get the bumper color matched to match the rest of the car. We got that coming up soon. We've already got somebody to do it, so all we're waiting on to do is come pick it up at this point. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. If you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe, and until next time, be great.